Testing.
Oh my god, it sounds like my Honda Civic's horn. Hey guys, it's Sterling W. I'm going to do a quick unboxing and install of this first alert, voice and location alerts, smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Got this just a couple of days ago. I figured I'd put this up on install and replace my other smoke alarms. The battery just died. This thing has a 10-year battery, of course, but of course it didn't really last 10 years for my other one. So you probably see my other reviews. You want to check out the other fire alarm reviews, go ahead. It's the same ones, but it lasted about, what, 2.5 years or 2 years for my latest one. So anyways, I got this one thinking that would be probably a little better, and I mentioned I want to see if it could, sense smoke as well as carbon monoxide. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing or unpackage it, and then we'll go ahead and install it. I'm also going to go over like how to program the rooms when it is for the voice alerts, because it took me forever to program it, so I figured I'd let you guys know how to program it too. It's actually quite easy after you first do it. I'll do a quick demo of it after I unbox it. So what's in the box? Just the fire alarm and fire alert, I guess. Smoke alert. That's what they're called. And the carbon monoxide thing. This is that PC1210V model, which is it looks like almost the same as the one previously. Made in Mexico, has the different full electric sensors and stuff. So don't know all the scientific stuff behind this stuff, but this thing works, and this one was made in December 2020. Like I said, my last first alert, smoke alert or alarm, basically lasts about 3-ish years. So yeah, pretty straightforward and stuff. It's a talking alarm, which is nice because there's a voice. So I'll also do a test on that too, so that you can hear it and see if you actually like it or if it sounds really annoying. Looks comes with stickers too. So this sticker talks about the carbon monoxide and it can kill you. So this is pretty neat. So I assume you're supposed to put this somewhere close to this alarm, but I have no idea. I'm just gonna put that to the side. But yeah, let's go ahead and open up. Where's the manual? I don't see the manual yet. It's not that cubbyhole thing. So, oh, there it is. There's the manual. So you can see these alarms aren't on the bases yet, because once you turn on the base, it turns on. So, like all the other ones, this is the instruction manual. You can go ahead and download it on the internet if you want. But at the same time, I'm not going to go through all of this because it's basically smoke alarm and a lot of legal jargon. So 10-year sealed battery, does carbon monoxide, blah blah blah. There's a lot of stuff here, and I actually read through it. It actually tells you to check this thing every week. Now there's my old mount, and unfortunately the mounts are different. So the old one has come down, and I need to replace it with this new one. This new one's actually bigger, so it's a whole centimeter or two, much larger than the other one. So you can see, I can't just replace that old one with this one and be done with it. I'm going to take off the screws and loosen it and put this one in. Now this is how you program it. You're going to want to program it while it's on, when you're holding it in your hand at the table, because it is very, very hard to program when it's on the ceiling, especially when the ceiling is like 10 feet higher. So you want to do this while it's on the table. Just go ahead and put the base onto the smoke and CO2 alarm, and it's going to turn on. You have to listen for a voice prompt and be very, very fast in pressing that button. The button the basic voice will ask you to press and hold that button so you can program the room. And that's the only thing you can actually program on this thing. So after you hear the room you want, it's going to cycle through like a few rooms. If you hear the room you want, you go ahead and hit the button again, and it will set it to that room, and it will run through a test for you. So we'll go ahead and run this through again. If you did it wrong and you want to do it again and change the room, you have to tap that button 5 times really, really fast, or click, 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 like five times, and then it will do the reset again. It will say welcome again, and you can reprogram it. So let's go ahead and hear it again.
Welcome. First alert carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. No location programmed. To select location, press and hold test button now. To save location, press and hold test button after location heard. Basement. Child's bedroom. Dining room. Family room. Guest bedroom. Guest bedroom. Location saved. Press and hold test button to test unit. Testing. Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in guest bedroom. Evacuate. Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in guest bedroom. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Well, after all that stuff, you're done. You could go ahead and put it up there and be on your way. Of course, after you put it on, test it again and just make sure it all works.
Testing. Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in guest bedroom. Evacuate. Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in guest bedroom. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you found that useful. Go ahead, of course, and check out my other videos and stuff. See you next time. Anyways, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button for the CNW channel. I do a lot of Costco runs, price checking, as well as new product finds. Anyways, there's also a lot of long-term reviews and updates, as well as other fun current reviews and stuff, as well as DIYs and how-to videos. So check out the channel and have fun. See you next time. Bye.